Hello, this is Dr. Anyangwe Ngasa of Manunga Studio. Um, Recently, we were in Cameroon and caught up with Mrs. Martina Tafa, or the current president of OSEED, the O'Shea Sisters in Development. This is a very powerful meeting or group which has been doing wonderful things back in the village to promote our O'Shea society. We give her the opportunity to pass on a video message to you people, to you who are the O'Shea in the diaspora. Everywhere where you are, you're called upon to do something for the village. So please listen to Mrs. Martina Tafa. We apologize for some technical problems that arose during the making of this video. So just pay attention to what is being said and forget about the problems. Okay? Manunga Studio.
I am Madame Tafa Martina Awamba, President General of OSEED. OSEED is O'Shea Sisters in Development. This is a group that was under. It was in order to empower ourselves, to support our girl children, because we realize that in our society, education of the girl children was being sacrificed to have the boys go to school, to encourage the rural woman, and also to support the health condition of our people and build a support system within our people in O'Shea. OSEED started in 2002 under the leadership of Mrs. Ajami Regina, who was the pioneer president, and I took over to follow up the dreams of this group. In terms of our objectives, we see that we have been struggling so far to meet the objectives. Most of our women are being empowered because we try to get them to do petty business. We even finance petty business. Like in Yaoundé, we gave out money to some women like Mrs. Achemba, Tayong Dorothy, and others, so that they could do petty business and generate income in order to help build their families and upgrade their own financial status. Concerning the village, OSEED is the female wing of OCA as far as development is concerned. So we come in from time to time as women, as mothers, to see how we can join hands to develop our village. In the past, we sponsored some girl children in Jikwa from 2 up to high school. We donated books to Government High School O'Shea. We got some equipment for the Medicanized Health Center in order to improve on the health of our community. We supported the pipe-borne water some years back when the pipes were all gone, so that they could try to
people are carrying water.
Re-establish the pipe-borne water and also get the nearby people to have water. Recently, we sent prizes to our children in the village to encourage them during the Youth Day, and presently we have in our hands the Giant Project, which is trying to get teachers for our children in the basic education, primary school, which is the foundation of education. And so this is the project that I am here to talk about. On the 26th of April 2014, we had a grand launch of that project, and we tried to raise funds, and we started off that project this academic year with 5 teachers in the 5 primary schools in Oshe. And so far, I want to use this forum to thank those who have been at the helm of development and those who continue to push development in Oshe. This project was started some years back by OCA USA. I want to thank them. Elite Group Yaoundé took over the project from OCA USA, and down the lane we are here to continue with that project. Most of you, most of our people and our friends at home and in diaspora have encouraged this project through their financial support, and money continue to come in. We are having little bits of money here and there. I want to say thank you to all of you. I want to say that for those who are yet to join, please do not hesitate, because there is nothing you can give anybody better than education. I think that if our children back at home can have that good education that most of us have outside, then we'll be doing very well. So I seize this chance also to thank those who have just recently answered to our plea, like Professor and Professor Mrs. Anyangwe Carlson of South Africa, who just sent to us 200,000 francs. I want to thank the Enos in Arusha, Dr. and Mrs. Eno Robert, who say they cannot be out of this project. I want to thank Sister Elinda Mokong, who just sent 50,000 francs. I want to thank also our sister, Dr. Anyangwe Njeng in the USA, who on hearing about this our project came in very powerfully and got a team to go to GS Oshe, that is Government Primary School Oshe, and they donated equipment. Yes, most of us can even get us to go international and solicit assistance where we can get the assistance and build our own village. I want to thank our friend, Professor Angwafo Christopher, who is not even from Oshe, but he knows the importance of education. And he says, like a friend to the Oshe people, he will chip in his own little bit. He sent 10,000 francs to us. And I want to encourage all of us that even if you spend $5 for your own people, for children that you don't even know, you would have done a wonderful job. We are here to say that everything will be transparent. We will follow up the project. You will have an account of all the 5 francs that you are sending on this project with a lot of satisfaction. I pray that all of us, all of you who will have the chance of listening to me will come in to lend a hand to the downtrodden and say, Oshe forward and backward never, as far as education is concerned. I think this is where we are with OSIS so far in terms of development and specifically education. Some years back, we used to cry that we didn't have journalists. But it doesn't take only a journalist to do a good job. Here is a surgeon, a medical doctor, one of us, our illustrious son, Manunga. He is doing a marvelous job for the Oshe people. He has such archives that we cannot challenge. And that is why he has come to OSIT. OSIT has not gone to him. He has come to OSIT to say, what are you women doing? Our son, our brother, our father. We say thank you. Thank you for making the world know that OSIT is doing some small thing behind here. Thank you for making the world know that Oshe people are there and that they are in need. May the good Lord continue to bless you and carry you to higher heights in the multi-dimension of things that God has talented you to do and that we know that you are capable of doing. Do not relent your effort. Doctor, let the good Lord bless you.